How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fill Jeep Wrangler coolant. So filling your Jeep Wrangler coolant involves topping off the coolant reservoir and, if necessary, the radiator itself. And as a side note, you always want to use the exact coolant type specified in your owner's manual. Usually this purple A or OAT coolant, and you only want to open the system when the engine is completely cold to avoid severe burns from hot pressurized fluid. Because if you've just used your vehicle right here and you try to open one of these coolant caps, it will actually go ahead and pop up because of the pressure built inside. Now, what you want to do is to check for the levels itself. Now, look at the translucent reservoir tank. The fluid level should be at the near MIN or cold mark, which is going to be this one right here. Now, you could see that marking inside this transparent cap or transparent container. And simply, if your engine is hot, as the engine warms up, the coolant expands, so the level should rise to the max or hot, as we can then go ahead and see right here. Now, as I've mentioned previously, the Jeep Wrangler contains multiple coolants. For example, with this one, this is the first coolant. And for the second one, this is, I believe, the engine coolant itself. And for this one, this is the washer fluid. So you want to go ahead and read the label itself in order to identify which coolant you want to fill up. But generally, coolant or the coolant reservoir will then look something like this, with the yellow caps on it and with the label writing coolant only. And so simply from there, you should be good to go. Once again, you always want to refer to your specified owner's manual, usually a purple OAT coolant. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.